Hi everyone, Tom Hughes here, and this is a quick video on how to print QR codes from GembaDocs directly to your label printer. Enjoy! So here I am in GembaDocs desktop version. So I go to view or print QR code. There's the 3 QR codes. And we have our label printer, which is a Brother P-Touch P900W, set up to print from here. I'm actually just using the fit to printable area, and it's on a 36mm tape, which is quite small. It's about 1 and a bit inches if you're American. So ideally I think the tape would be bigger, but you're just using that print to fit, then that should be enough for you. And there is the labels printed out. So that's how it's working on our Brother P-Touch printer. Obviously it may not be the same for every printer under the sun, but that approach, I was really surprised how simple it was. I'd like to give a big shout out to Peter Potts of Science to Science in Manchester, because he inspired this whole thing, and Daniel Lopez from Sussex Campervan. Great users, we're so grateful for all user feedback. We do our best to improve GembaDocs every day. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps.
GembaDocs makes SOPs easy. Anyone can create, edit, and share an SOP in minutes. We make SOPs easy to access at point of use, which helps everyone understand how to do a great job every time. Better quality, less stress. Happier people. Make your workplace better by starting a free 30-day trial by downloading the GembaDocs app or visiting GembaDocs.com.